Alright guys, I got this little camera thingy. I want to try to use it. Anyway, welcome back to Half Fast 719. I am home. Gotta water some trees, some bushes, whatever this thing is. I don't know if it's a bush, a tree, or a weed. Anyway, yeah, these trees need some water. But yeah, just got this camera and I'm trying to see how it does or doesn't do. But see, my little bushes need some help. So got the skid steer over there. Gonna be adding some fluid into it. Later, I'm probably gonna go take a shower after I water these plants and trees, and then we'll go into town, go to Sam's Club. Anyway, but yeah, got home about 20 minutes ago. Do a little, I don't know, not really a unboxing later, but I got some stuff from the Temu. This camera is probably from Temu, shipped to Amazon, and then delivered, sold through a company that I bought it from, and then shipped from Temu to me. Anyway, doesn't seem like that good of quality. Of course, it disconnects all the time. Let's see, still shows it's recording. Anyway, I have it's pointed up because I have a bigger chest. My man boobs are pointing it up. Anyway, don't know how to wear it yet. I'll figure it out. I was trying to get it last week so that I can wear it, because it kind of dangles when I bend over. Anyway, it seems like it's too high. But yeah, it seems like it just goes on a loop for 3 minutes. 3 minutes and then does another loop. So we'll see. Video. That's the little camera. Right there. It's a little point of view camera. Anyway, that's the little camera. I didn't push record. So anyway guys, we'll see how this thing works. Just goes on your body with a little lanyard around your neck. So like I was saying, trying to test it out, see if it's gonna work or not. But I was trying to get it my last week off because I wanted to wear it while I was doing, whether it's on a baseball cap. It comes with all kinds of adapters. I'll show you guys in a little while, but You can wear it, set it up. It comes with little stands and little things. Because I can go show you guys once I water these trees. So let me finish watering all these trees. I think these trees over there are dead or dying because they're not getting enough water. I'm almost thinking one of these hoses or something isn't working, or maybe the battery's dead. Maybe it was just that freaking hot. No, there's water right there. Right there. Anyway, what time is it? 8 o'clock. My electric bill is changing.